I got a new camera for Christmas, so I thought that I would show you around my house where I grew up since I'm here for a little bit longer and you've never seen me before, so let's go. This is the kitchen right here. Oh, it's all festive and decorated for Christmas. Okay, let's go into the living room. Here's the living room and the tree. We have two trees. Here's one. This one is fake. And my sister's over there. She doesn't want me to show her. She's sitting there on her computer. Here's the backyard. That's where the dog runs around. And if you look really close, you can see a scale model of the Eiffel Tower that my dad got for free. Oh my goodness. See, the zoom on this goes too fast. All right. Okay, so that's the living room. See, there's some pictures. I'm not going to show you. They're embarrassing. I'll show you some other ones. There's the dog. That's Bean. Hi, Bean. Say hi to the camera. He's tired. Look at how he like squirms into a total little ball. So cute. Okay, so here's the other living room. There's the other tree. This is the one that my sister and I decorate, and you can tell from the awesome garland work that we did. Okay, and mistletoe. Ooh, hello. Mistletoe. I'm standing under it. Unfortunately, there's no one else here. Okay, let's go upstairs. We go upstairs. I did this every day when I was a kid. Walked up these stairs. It's like you're me when I was a kid. Here's me. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute I am. I don't know how old I was there. Maybe like, what, 2? I don't know. 1. And this is a creepy picture that my parents put at the top of the stairs because they wanted us to have nightmares forever. Which it worked. Here's my sister's room. Those are my Star Wars curtains. She stole them. But she won't tell anybody that. She thinks they're theirs, but they're mine. Okay. Okay, so here's my room, and first I want you to notice the crystal doorknobs, because they're really important to me. Because when I was little, I was like, oh my god, they're real diamonds. Yes, because that's totally realistic. You definitely have real diamonds on your door. I was kind of a hippie kid, so I had like suns and moons. This whole border goes all the way around. There used to be curtains and stuff, and some drama masks. You know, I was kind of an art nerd. See, magnetic poetry. Here's my closet. It has my diaries in it, my photo albums, which I will not be showing you today or ever, probably. Here's my Life Saving Society Senior Resuscitation badge. That's right, I was a lifeguard. Pretty sweet. And here's, I guess, the most precious part of all is some of my old my old CDs that I left here when I left. Because I have them all on my iPod now, so I didn't need to bring them. But here's, I have Gob, classic, Korn, lots of Korn. Appropriately right on top of Hanson, because Korn and Hanson, they're a natural match. Chris Shepherd's Club Cuts, 303. I don't even know what year that came out in. All Stars 2000, All Stars 1999, in case you need to do some sweet dancing, obviously. Adam Sandler's What the Hell Happened to Me, great album. Salads, Smash Mouth, Sum 41, System of a Down, and so on and so forth. Mulan soundtrack, yep, that's right. And, yeah, Rob Zombie, Weird Al. Pretty cool. And I made a whole lot of mix CDs, like, all the time. And they all had really, really precious names, like You're Just a Bus Ride Away. Very touching, very moving. Probably my best work, I would say. Anyway, yeah, so that's it. It's kind of a messy room, but that's okay. I'm not in it very often. And, yeah. So, thanks for taking the tour of my house with me. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope I didn't make you nauseous or motion sick with the camera. It's new. I'm not sure how to... It's a point and shoot. It's harder to keep still. Anyway... Happy day after Boxing Day, or whatever this day is, and I will talk to you soon.